A very good afternoon. Today we'll be demonstrating the usage of MInistar machine, our pressure molding machine. To begin with, I would like to tell you about the parts that are incorporated into this. Number one is the infrared element. This is the thermal element. It is designed and it's patented by Scheu Dental. It attains the temperature or the desired temperature within 1 second of its usage, and that is what makes it different and a class apart from all the other pressure molding machines. The second thing that we have in this is the pressure chamber. Third is the molding cup. Fourth is the stainless steel pellet holder, and then the fifth, the ring clasp. To begin with, let us turn on the machine first. After this, we turn on the compressor. The compressor needs to have an attained pressure of minimum 3 to 3.5 psi. We turn on the compressor. Once we turn it on, we see a variety of function buttons on it. The first one is the code and scan. For this, there are thermoplastic sheets. These sheets have a specific barcode which is imprinted on them. Only these sheets can be used for actual making an actual process. Okay, on the screen that we can see right now, there's a 3.4 bar pressure, which is appropriate for our purpose. The temperature attained is 31 to 32 degrees Celsius, which is that of the machine in itself. Now, it says enter code and confirm. So there are two ways of entering the code. One, we can manually enter code which is written on this sheet. Secondly, we can go for a barcode scanner on here. So we'll try with the barcode scanner. Once the code has been generated, now it says please turn the heater over the foil. So what we are going to do is, we are going to place this on top of it or for the pressure chamber. Then we are going to lock this. This is how it is locked. Next, we turn on the heating element. If you see clearly, within a second it attained its temperature. Now it says we have to wait for a heating period of 46 to 45 seconds. For individual thermoplastic sheet, there will be different temperatures. That means for a retainer sheet, it will be different. In this case, we are going to be working with it to fabricate a night guard. This is the molding platform. The mold platform can be used two ways. One is the platform itself. The secondly, we can use the stainless steel pellets. Now these pellets are utilized to make sure the areas that we want to be only recorded. This is what it helps us with. Once you place our cast into this, it has to be always away in the direction from the pressure chamber. As the countdown begins, we see there would be a ticking sound in it. We will take it away. We will close this pressure chamber and then the ring. We see a blue light which comes on here. That means now it's pressuring down. Once this light starts to blink, we need to do depressurization at that time. Total cooling time required is 101 seconds at the moment. So we are going to wait for that period of time. And we are ready to decompress it. And here we have the fabrication of a night guard. Further ahead, after this, we are going to undergo the process of cutting and making sure that all the ends are properly cut and no sharp points are left. After finishing of it, the patient can be delivered with a night guard.